Hi, good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the 12th video of Lightning Web Component. In the last two videos we have covered how we can fetch data from Apex using imperative method, and in the last video we have covered how we can fetch a data from Apex using a wire decorator. So in last two sessions we have understand how we can fetch data from Apex using Apex class. Don't you think it is very long way in order to fetch the data? Do Lightning Web Component provide us anything from which we can directly get the data from Salesforce without calling Apex? Yes, answer is correct. We will be going with the Lightning Data Service. Today we will be understanding what is get record, what is the use of get record and get feed value, and we don't have to use any aura enabled or cacheable equal to true in order to fetch the data. So let's start with the today video with the Lightning Data Service, how Lightning Data Service help us in doing the same. Also, we will be considering the opportunity record page in order not only to fetch for one data, but we will be fetching for dynamic opportunity that will be coming on a real-time basis. Until now, we are using the Apex in order to fetch the data from in LWC, but now we will be using Lightning Data Service. The advantage of it is using UI API in order to fetch the data. We will be using the get record in order to fetch the record ID and then proceed with record. And in order to get cleaner access, we will be using get record value, and by doing this we will be making our Lightning Web Component robust and fast. So let's start with the demo. We will be covering two demo today. One is Lightning View Form and another is Lightning Edit Form that come under Lightning Data Service. So I have created a one component, that is Data Service Opportunity. We will be covering both concept under this. So first thing that we will be doing here is we will be taking Lightning card. So let's make Lightning hyphen card here, and title is equal to opportunity view page, opportunity view page. And once we are done with this, for I think our bracket has not been started, so let's start the bracket, and here we will be closing our Lightning card. So once we are done with this, first thing that I will be doing, I will be making a Lightning record view form. So what I will be doing, I will be writing Lightning view form, record view form, and here we need to provide two things. One is record ID, that is for the ID that we will be providing for. Let's take an example. Here we are taking opportunity object, so we are giving the opportunity, and in this we will be providing the opportunity ID. So now you might be thinking, Trishu has told us that we will be doing it in a dynamic way. How we will be providing this? We will just go there and in here, and we will be just adding API decorator here, and once the API decorator is added, we will be adding @API record ID. That's it in the JavaScript. By doing this, it will directly give us the record ID of current page, and that will be added here, and it will give me the records for this. So now we are done with this. First thing that we will be doing, we will be taking a output fields here. So I have already written the fields here. So let's copy the field name that we need to display in order to save time. So I have copied it from my other screen, and here I have added, that is opportunity output field name is equal to name. Similarly, I have added industry, and similarly I have added phone. Once we are done with this, we will be deploying this component, and let's see if the component is getting deployed successfully and we are not facing an issue. Till now we are adding all the components in our home page, but here we will be adding in the Lightning record page of opportunity in order to display the opportunity. So our component has been successfully deployed. So now let's open our Salesforce scheme, and in the Salesforce scheme we will be checking if we are getting these details. We will be dragging and dropping our component in the opportunity record page, and further we will be playing around with it. So let's go on Salesforce. I think our Salesforce has been opened, and here what I will be doing, I will be just searching for sales allow sales. Once we are in the sales, further we will be going on to our opportunity. Where is the opportunity? It is not coming here. So what I will be doing, I will be going directly here and I will be searching for opportunities. So I will be clicking any opportunity because finally I need to edit the opportunity homepage. So let's open all opportunities and let's search for this opportunity. Here I need to add the component here at this place. So in order to do the same, what I will be doing, I will be selecting a edit page, and above the related tab I will be adding my lightning component. So since we have already added the lightning data service component here, with the is expose equal to true and is equal to record page, so only one component is coming because we have exposed one component here in the LWC. So let's save this out. As soon as we save this out, and if I click we have to activate this. So last time also we faced some issue in order to activate to assign to default out, and let's do it here and let's click next, save. Let's click save here. So it should come on my home page. So let's see if the component is coming on my page. Yes, only the name is coming currently. We have taken 3 fields. One is industry, other is phone. So let's go on this opportunity and give the phone number and industry as well so that we can pick. So if you go here the industry is not coming. So let's edit it. So control F, industry. No, the industry field is not available here. So what we will be picking, we will be picking the type field. So let's pick the stage name. So it is better to pick stage name instead of that. So let's minimize this window and let's go here, and what we will be doing, we will be adding stage name. Yes, we are done with the second field, and third field that we will be taking here is, let's check what all fields can we pick. Let's pick the probability. So what we will be doing, probability. So let's pick the API name for probability because I am not sure if the spelling is correct for probability. So let's go on to setup, and after going on to setup, here what I will be searching, I will be going on object manager, and after going on object manager I will be checking for opportunity. Once we are on opportunity, we will be going here and we will be going here in order to pick the API name for probability. API name is must. You don't have to pick the label, field label, just you need to pick the field name that is coming. So let's pick it and let's paste it here. Now the spellings are good. So let's deploy our component again and let's see if we are facing an issue. Since name is coming currently, so we are not worried if the data is coming, not coming, the data is coming. So let's move on to our Salesforce screen and let's refresh our screen once or twice again so that the cache get refreshed. So yeah, you are seeing Burlington's textile and probability is coming. Just our second field is not coming. Why it is not coming? Let's pick the API name for that as well. Stage name. Oh, N is capital there. Stage name. So let's copy the API name, and we have taken the N as small. So you need to take care of even the small n. If you are giving a small n instead of capital, that field will not be visible. So make sure that once you are practicing, you have to take care of each and everything, because at the end of the day we are playing around with JavaScript, and JavaScript is a case sensitive language. So let's deploy it now. Oh, it is select. I instead selected delete. So let's deploy it again and see if our component is getting deployed. Yes, it is getting deployed. And if I go here and if I search on opportunity, now you will be able to see all 3 fields that are coming here in the. So let's refresh it again. Why the heck the opportunity name is, stage name is not coming? Okay, I think there must be some issue. So by this way we can display the multiple fields that are coming here. Now our first demo is done, that is record view form. Now let's change this form into record edit form so that a user, if want to edit the fields, he can do the edit now. So in order to edit the field, what we will be doing here, instead of view, we will be changing to edit. And let's copy this out and let's paste the same field here so that we are on same page in order with tags. So let's, instead of view, we will be just doing edit. So now you might be thinking, Sishu, you have to take input field instead of output. Yes, we have to do the same as well. So let's, instead of output field, we will be taking input field, and further let's copy this out fully. After copying, then let's paste it here as well. So let's use this. Oh my bad. So I think we have to copy full, and let's copy it fully. And here what I will be doing, I will be just pasting the name here, and similarly I will be pasting it here. By doing this, our value will get changed, and similarly on the output tags as well, we will be doing the same changes so that we are on same page on the tags. So you are saying as soon as I am updating the value, the error is getting removed from here. So I have pasted it all. And after doing this, next step that you need to do here is you need to add a button here in order to do the operation. So in order to save time, what I will be doing, I will be just copying a button and pasting it here. So now you are seeing that I have given type equal to submit, save, and variant equal to. So in the record edit form, you need to just give one more thing, that is handle success. So what you will be doing, you will be adding handle success here, handle success, on success, handle success, on success, handle success. So here I will be adding handle success. Once we are done with this, we will be just giving a handle success method. So let's copy this out, and once we are done with this, we will be copying over handle success here. So what here is a method, that is dispatch event. We will be showing a toast message in order to perform this. We will be keeping a separate section in on how toast work, but now we are using dispatch event in order to show the toast event. And here this is variant success, records updated successfully in order to do them. So let's now deploy our component and let's see how our component is coming. You can ignore this as well if you don't want to show the toast message in the green or blue screen, but this look cool, that's why I have added this. So our component has been successfully deployed. So what I will be doing, I will be refreshing it now. So by doing a refresh, you will be seeing that there should be a button that will be coming. So the button is not coming currently. So our page was not getting refreshed, that's why our data is not coming. So you are seeing now here the pick list is also coming. Let's take an example. I have changed it to ID decision maker, and instead of Burlington Textile Weaver Plant. So what I will be making by Salesforce by Sachdeva, by Salesforce by Sachdeva. So as soon as I click save button, so by clicking save, so it has given me error, but the value has already been changed. You will be seeing, if you see here, Burlington Textile by Salesforce by Sachdeva is coming, but our toast has not been working here. I think our toast is not working. So in order to make toast working, we have forgot one thing, that is importing of toast event. So in order to add a toast event, we need to import the toast first. So let's paste the toast event here. So I think let's paste it again and let's see if we are getting it deployed or not, because everything is good. Just we will be deploying this, and let's copy the handle success and paste the handle success here. So I think the small s is creating issue. So let's deploy this out again. So this s is causing issue, that's why our toast was not working earlier. So now let's check our Salesforce if the changes are getting reflected in a proper manner. Because the update is happening, we don't have to do DML in order to do the same. Let's make it proposal and let's save Salesforce by Sachdeva 1 so that we are able to see the changes. So let's save it out. Currently the changes are getting refreshed, so let's refresh this out again and refresh it out so that we don't face any issue. Let's make it prospecting and let's click save button now. So you are seeing now success, record updated successfully is coming. This is the power of Toast. This make us look our Lightning Web Component more responsible. So this complete our session number 12, in which we have understand the Lightning data service. In the next session, we will be creating the record and we will be completing our beginner session of Lightning Web Component, where we have understood the structure of Lightning Web Component. From the next session onwards, after creating of record, we will be starting with the real-time UI and interactivity, and we will be keeping modal accordions, and we will be understanding how these components work in LWC. So if you find my video helpful, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such content. Thank you. Have a nice day.